Substring function in SQL. Substring syntax for substring function in SQL is string, start and length. String, start and length. String, the source string to extract from. Start, the position to start extraction from. The first position in the string is always 1. Length, the number of characters to extract must be a positive number. Note, the first position in the string is 1. If length is a negative number, then the substring function will return an error. Let's see in SQL Server. Substring function in SQL Server. Syntax: substring, string or column, start position, length. All the three fields are mandatory in this function. Suppose first we see simple one, and this is the string from which we want substring. So this is the string Godzilla and we want substring. So here we execute this query. So here we execute the query. Query is executed successfully. G. This is the starting position and this is always 1. So here from 1 and length is also 1. So we get G. If we take length is 2. If we execute go. If we take length is 3, then we execute God. Starting position is always 1, and after that the length is 3. So here we God. So if starting position is 2, so 1 and 2 starting from here. So here ODZ. So this is the result, 3 characters, 2 starting from here, 1 2. So start from here, this is the second starting position is from 2. So 2, then 1 2 3. So like this we will get the result. But if we in all the three fields are mandatory in this function, so if we eliminate this field, we give only 2 fields here. So what happens? The substring function requires 3 arguments. If we eliminate this, if we do not give any string, only the starting position and length, 2, 1, so that will also be voided. The substring function requires 3 arguments, so at any case the 3 arguments are must. So here put it now, and then what happens? Okay. Oh, if we give here oh, G. So okay, this is the result. So all the 3 fields are mandatory, means all the 3 fields are compulsory for execution the query for substring. If the starting position is greater than the maximum number of characters in the string, then nothing is returned. So maximum number of characters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 characters. If we here starting position number is 21, it is more than 8. So if we take 8, then till 8 we get a result. Last character is 8 characters, so get. If we give here 9, then we get the result empty result. If we give here 21, the string is more larger than the character, so mm, empty. The if the starting position is greater than the maximum number of characters in the string, then nothing is returned. So nothing is written here. My string, nothing is written. Substring function will throw an error if the length parameter is negative. So if we give here length parameter negative, what happens? The invalid length parameter passed to the substring function. So length parameter, always length parameter must be positive. If otherwise the invalid length parameter passed to substring function, this error will occur. The length of characters can exceed the maximum length of the original string. In such a scenario, the entire string will be extracted from starting position mentioned. If the length of characters can exceed the maximum length of the original string. So now here the length characters are more. Here the characters are 8 and here this is the more. If we give here 9, what happens? Whole string. Then if we give 21, whole string. Starting point, the length characters, if the length of characters can exceed the maximum length of the original string, in such a scenario the entire string will be extract from the starting position mentioned. The entire string will be extract, so we get the entire string here. Godzilla. Substring not recognized. So substr not recognized. In Oracle there is substr function. So if we try here, instead of substring we mention here substr. Then substr is not a recognized built-in function. So in SQL Server here we can't get substr function. So this is the error. Substr is not a recognized built-in function name. Select substring Godzilla is big. Select substring Godzilla is big. If we give here code double quotes instead of single quote, we give double quotes and this string is bigger. So by mistake we can give, for if there is only Godzilla then we can give only single quote, but if the string is larger, so by mistake we can give here double quotes also. So if we give this the invalid column name Godzilla is big, invalid column name, it is considering as a column name. If we give double quotes here, no, always here must be single quote if there is a string Godzilla. So this is the result. Godzilla is big. Godzilla is big. Starting position is here. Here is 8. So sorry, 1 2 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. This is 10. So space is counted as one character, and now the result is Godzilla I is the result. Select substring Godzilla is big 8 and 6. Suppose what happened? Godzilla is. Select substring Godzilla is big 8 and 6. So what happens here? A is B is the result. So 8 from 8 here 8. Here space is 9, 10, 8. Sorry, 1. Here 8. So 6 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the second space. It is counted as 5. And here 6. We get this result. So 6, so this is the result. So it is the result. A is B. If we go extra space here, so what is the result? Here is the result. A is, and if another also, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 6, so like this, and 7. So spaces, each one space is counted as one character. Here are two spaces, here are two spaces, those spaces are counted 1 2, here 1 2, the four spaces are counted in the result. So for each one space there is one character count. Select substr Godzilla. Suppose in Oracle, here is the -1. So this is the starting position and it is from -4. So -4, at that time the counting will start from here, from right side. Then 1, 2, then 3, then 4, and after that 2, length is 2. So I and L, 1 and 2, IL. So in that case, there would be IL will be the output or result. So if we use substring in here, what will be the result? No, there is no any result. If we give here 3, there is no result. Still, we give 4, there is no result. If we give 5, there is no result. If we give 6, there is no result. Sorry, there is result. If we give 7 here, there is a result. If we give here 8, there is a result. God, what happened here? So instead of counting from here, from right side, it is counting from here. So till -4, there is counting 4 characters. For 0, there is the character. So -4, from -4, -3, -2, -1, 4 characters, and for 0 1 means 5, and for 6 here, after 6 here 1, so here 1, it is here from 6. When we give 6 here, at that time we get the result. So counting is for 4 -4 means for -4 there is 4 characters count, or 0 5, and for this it is just 6, counting start from here 6. So we get this result. If we give here 7, so from -4, 4 character counts, then for 0 5, then 6 and 7. So like this, for 8 till -4, 4, then 5 0 5, then 6 7 8. So this will be the result. So God, now we use one table. We use one table here. There is table or not? No. So we create one table here. We create one table, emp id, having emp id, emp name, and email. If we execute, query completed with errors. What happened? Already exist. First we drop it. Now new table. So this is our table, and if we insert these records, emp id, emp name, event. These are fields for table and values for table. So now we can get this result. So here is the result. For emp name, we want substring function. So how it will be? Select emp name from employee. Now query executed successfully. We get the emp name here. So if we want substring function, we give substring function substring for this emp name. Then we give here 1 and 1. First we will take simple starting position and simple length. So here emp name. So if we execute here, this emp name is gone here, but we want this, that was the separate column. So here that was separate column. So here we give employee name for this, and this is the separate column, our separate column. So now we can get emp name, our original emp name, and here EEE. What is the result? EEE. How? We have habit to give the string with single quotes. So with this habit we can give emp name in also in single quote, but there is no necessary to give the emp name when we use the field from the table. At that time we just give the name without any quote. So we will get the result. This is the proper result. First SSW, and if we give here 2 J, then 3 gem, gem, gem. All the, this is the result for all the employees. And then if we give here 2, then this is the result for all the employees. James M, starting from this A, starting from this H, starting from this W, M, starting from this A. If we give 3 here, we give mess on what, from 3, starting from 3, starting from 3. So like this we get results. So if we use a where condition for, if we want only for say specific id, so emp, uh, here is the all the employees, but we want this for this employee id. So this is the query from employee where employee id is 1. So for specific column also we can get this result for 615, and for entire row, entire table, we can get the result uh, from employee. So for entire table we can apply a substring function also. So this is all about substring function in SQL. So okay, oh, thank you.